Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will be learning about the continuity test that is done using the multimeter. Here I show you the diode and Wi-Fi kind of symbol. Rotate the dial towards it, and that is continuity test. Continuity here. This is an open loop here. When the two probes black and red are connected together, the loop is closed and the multimeter produces the beep sound. Here you can listen the beep. So from the battery of the multimeter, a small current is passed through the probes to the wire and the circuit is closed and the multimeter produces a beep sound. This is very useful in testing the joints of wires. When two wires are connected like this, so you might not be able to hear the beep, but there are change in the values. You can see it, there is change in the values. So if two wires are connected and somehow those connection is off, and we can check the values are not changing. Here those are connected together and the values are changing. This is how you check the wire continuity, and you can use it for testing the switches too. Place the probes. 0 is no continuity and 1 is continuity. 1 is on, 0 is off. That is how you check the switches too. This is very useful test, continuity test. You should learn if you are using a modern vehicle or old one. So apart from continuity, we use DC voltage, and at least preference we use resistance. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.